Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm showing you how to create your very own matchboxes. The first one is quite simple. You need a piece of cardstock measuring 5 7/8 of an inch by 2 inches. Then you score at 5/8 of an inch, 3 1/8 of an inch, and 3 5/8 of an inch. Then just fold the scored lines. Then you need to cut a piece of cardstock measuring 2 3/8 of an inch by 1 3/4 inches. This will go inside the matchbox. I used to create this sort of wooden pins and the matchboxes were very useful. You could make them any size you need. If you need to create a custom size, maybe just start with the insert on which you'll fix your product and then just adjust the matchbox to the size of the insert. You just need a stapler to finish the matchbox. The next matchbox is a yarn sampler. For this one I used a 7 by 2 1/4 inches piece of cardstock. I thought this is a good size. You can experiment with different sizes if you wish. And I scored it at 1 inch, 4 1/4 inches and 4 1/2 inches. You can actually use this as a sewing kit as well. Next, cut a piece of cardstock for the insert, measuring 7 1/8 of an inch by 2 inches, which you will score at 2 7/8 of an inch. And 5 1/8 of an inch, as it will be folded 2 times, as you see here. Then I used my circle puncher to punch the sides. And with my scissors I cut a few notches for keeping the ends of the yarn into place. Use a stapler to finish the matchbox. The third version is a notes pad. I used a piece of cardstock measuring 9 1/4 inches by 3 1/8 of an inch. Then I scored at 3 3/8 of an inch, 3 3/4 inches, 7 3/4 inches and 8 1/8 of an inch. My pages were 3 3/4 inches by 3 inches, and I made a mark at 1 1/8 of an inch. You'll see why in a moment. I started with an A4 sheet of paper, which I folded in half, and then following the measurements of my template, I accordion folded. Then I used my template to trim the pages. For the next step, you could trace a line at the 1 1/8 of an inch mark. Then just use your sewing machine to sew a line without a thread. This way you'll create little holes in the paper and you could tear them easily. Make as many pages as you want, then glue them together below the sewn line and to the matchbox. The result is a tiny notebook with Terra pages. That's it, thank you everyone for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that already, as it will help me a lot. Thank you again and see you next time. Happy crafting!